Okay, good evening, lovely people. And the Bible differentiation from first principle. The question is say, if y is equal to fourth root of x, find dy over dx using first principle. Okay, you use two methods to prove this question. Right. The first one, you quote differentiation principle. No, that's the first principle. No. First principle is say dy over dx is equal to the limit as h approaches 0, f into bracket x plus h minus f of x all over h. Okay, let's just say the function increases by a certain h minus the raw function all over h as h approaches 0. Okay, into the fourth root of x, able to me a x raise the power 1 over 4. Able to me a say, but you prefer say able to me a say any other question. Into since I use two methods to prove I mean that space kakra. The hano you say the limit as h approaches 0 is equal to fourth root of x plus h, because it increases by certain h minus fourth root of x all over h. Okay, into you rationalize congregate say d into higher minus or rationalize plus, so higher plus or rationalize then minus into you multiply by fourth root of x plus h minus fourth root of x all over, sorry, higher plus y. So fourth root of x plus h plus fourth root of x. Okay, into your baba who say as a a minus b and I have to a plus b. Into as a difference of two squares. Into difference of two squares, I say over a minus b and a plus b. In now a squared minus b squared. Okay, into about as everything squared minus fourth root of x all squared all over until we multiply way, so h times fourth root of x plus h then plus fourth root of x. Okay, until I be root of x plus h minus root of x. That's for this one, only the numerator. Until number bechirimu. We say a fourth root of x plus h all squared into about for root of x plus h all squared times fourth root near 1 over 4 into o cancel over 2 c. What I say into over x plus h raise the power 2 times 1 over 4, because 1 over 4 is representing root. So Boba Benyano as x raised the power 1 over 2, which is the same as root of x plus h. Okay, into however Benya root of x plus h minus root of x all over h times fourth root of x plus h plus fourth root of x. Okay. Now, multiply by another congregate set of this one. So here will be times root of x plus root of x plus h all over root of x plus h plus root of x. See, Nti aha no baba bɛsɛ difference of two squares bim. Nti aha no yɛ a minus b, a plus b. Until you come and get it as a squared minus b squared. So here becomes root of x, root of x plus h all squared minus root of x all squared plus these other terms. So h times 4 root of x plus h plus 4 root of x, then one bracket, then this one is also in another bracket, x plus h plus root of xc. This is here no, yeah, about the concluding part. The squares will cancel each other. So we have as x plus h minus x all over h times 4 root of x plus h plus 4 root of x, and then root of x plus h plus root of x. See, into x no between na h ni h way so etwa. Until finally we have as 1 over 4 root of x plus h plus 4 root of x and root of x plus h plus root of x. Okay, until I forgot to write something. The limit as h approaches 0. Everything should come. Okay, so the limit as h approaches 0 means wherever you see h, you will put 0 into the function. The h be all the 0 by share. So 1 over 4 root of x plus 0 plus 4 root of x. Now how about root of x plus 0 then plus root of x. So we have 1 over 4 root of x plus 4 root of x. Once I'm root of x plus root of x. So we have 1 over 2 4 root of x, because until what is twice them. Okay, now we have 2 root of x. Okay, to the long run we have 1 over 2 times 2a, remember 4. Now how can be expressed as x raised to the power 1 over 4. Now how between be expressed as x raised to the power half because of the root sign. Okay, into 1 over 4 plus 2 half, and then 1 over 4 x 3 over 4. Into open so check yourself answer near correct. Offer normal differentiation now. That is, if you have y is equal to a x raised to the power n, and by y is equal to n a, you multiply the n by the a and you subtract 1 over better 1 if you into how by xn minus 1. So how y is equal to x raised to the power 1 over 4. Because of the 4th root sign, it's about by y is equal to 1 over 4 x 1 over 4 minus 1. So y is equal to 1 over 4 x negative 3 over 4. Into say about down one, see as 1 over 4 x raised to the power 3 over 4. Into second method no, you do use binomial. Yeah, I should say the same answer. But your video was helpful to you. Subscribe. Na catch on for say innovation be say koso yes mass with him. Okay, madam.